Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of KULR technology. Now let's pause this video for a moment, and if you can identify any trend out of it, just post it on the comment section so that we can understand how our thoughts are, whether it is different or whether it is matching with each other. Now just pause this video and whatever thoughts you have, just write down in your comment, and then move forward in the video and see whether it's the same way that we both are thinking, or we all of are thinking right now. If you are looking at the trend, you hardly find anything, first of all, because this is a flat trend. So this is a flat trend which you can see over here, and let's understand the current trend and what we can make out of it. So this is the low that the stock has made. Okay, so now what we have here is 55 cents as your stop loss, and just understand the trend first. You need not to wait for 55 cents as the current price is far away from the stop loss, but understand what's going on in this particular chart. So what we have here is your immediate support of 2.13. You will have your next support of 1.92, below which you will have your next support. Here we are. So below 1.92 you will have your next support at $1, and below $1 you have two more levels to look at. Obviously 55 cents will be your last stop loss, and you have 76 cents as your second last support. Now if you are looking at this chart, although the stock is at the higher end of the range, but if you are looking at this chart, the stock has moved up and down, and it has made a movement from the lows of 55 cents towards the high which it has made in the month of June 2020, worth $3.7, and this is going to be the target, the first target that we are looking here. Okay, so the target that we are looking here will be 3.7 or in between. Here we are. So first look at this, then I will explain the rest of the things. So you will have your first target at $3, and that may extend up to or in between 3.8 and $4. So this is the range, or these are the target levels for the time being, or resistance level that we are looking at in the upcoming days. But if you are looking at the overall chart, this highlighted section, you will see the stock made its move from the lower end to the higher end. Okay, let me show it to you. So from the lower to the higher end, and then again it go back to the lower end, and slowly and steadily it is crawling up. Okay, in this kind of move you will see that within couple of days or weeks the stock made a fresh breakout, and after which we will enter into a new range. That is why, with the immediate support of 2.3 and 1.9, so don't go below 1.9, otherwise you will have your support, but those are far away from the current price. So if it continues to sustain above 1.2 and more specifically above 2.3, you have $3, $3.8 and $4 as your target levels, or the level of resistance which we're gonna look at. If the stock sustains above $4, and that's what we are actually looking here, because if you looking at this highlighted section here, so what the stock is doing, it moved up from the lower to the higher end of the range. Now it's been consolidating. Once that gets over, you will have something like this, a trend like this. Okay, so this is what is the probability here, and that's why we are looking for a breakout. Now where does it leads to? For that we will simply calculate the range from the lower end to the higher end of the range, and we are getting a number which is 580 or 588%. Now, if there is a breakout beyond $4 and if the stock sustained beyond $4, what we are expecting here as a uh, target forecast or as a target level in as far as the forecast is concerned, we can expect a 580% worth of move, and that's where we are getting a big target which is as high as $25 in the upcoming weeks and months. This is completely conditional and only get activated if the stock sustains above $4 after the breakout. For the time being, we have our range open from $3 to $4 on the upside, and on the downside it would be better if you don't go below 1.92, and after the breakout, if the trend sustain, you will have your big target of $26 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.